difference between serum and plasma. Okay, so what is plasma? Plasma is the liquid component of the blood. So basically, when you have the blood, whole blood minus blood cells. So what are the blood cells? Blood cells are white blood cells, platelets, red blood cells. So basically whole blood, okay, this is whole blood minus blood cells, that is white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. That is called plasma. Okay, plasma is whole blood minus blood cells from the blood. Okay, so this is called plasma. Plasma is the liquid component of the blood and it constitutes about 55%. So then what is serum? Okay, so we have plasma, and from the plasma, if we deduct clotting factors, that is called serum. Serum is plasma minus clotting factors. Okay, serum is plasma minus clotting factors. When you take the blood and then let it stand for half an hour, and after half an hour, if you centrifuge it, so all this clot gets settled down, and this supernatant is called serum. Okay, so once again, plasma is whole blood minus blood cells, and serum is plasma minus clotting factors. Thank you.